Welcome back, peeps. My name is Chad Wilson from Simple Cloudware, and today we are going to talk about marketing. So what have we been up to for the last couple weeks? Well, if you've been following along, we started with our King Sumo giveaway, and we've been collecting up emails through that, and we just finished our second one. And they were netting us about 700 to 800 emails each. And so from there, we used ConvertKit and walked them through an 8-day introductory email sequence, which we were hoping that someone would actually purchase one of the courses, but that did not happen. So what did happen? Well, let's get into it. What we found with the first giveaway, when we sent out the emails, we focused that directly on the courses themselves in a hopes that we could get one purchase, which then would kind of pay for the giveaway and the hosting from Teachable and ConvertKit. So when we got zero response for that, we repointed the second giveaway set of emails to the toolkit with the free JumpStart coupon. And so that is almost finished running, and we did not convert anybody. So I think this is starting to speak to a fundamental issue that we need to deal with, in that we need to have a relationship with the people that we're collecting emails from. So that got us thinking, and we have a couple ideas on how we're going to do such a thing. The second thing that we did in tandem with the giveaways is I found a $150 AdSense coupon in which we set up to point at a toolkit. And inside the toolkit, then we had a free coupon to the JumpStart. So I started that and put it at a budget of about $60 a month just to see what would happen. And that actually has translated into people downloading the toolkit that we built. And one of those individuals actually signed up for the JumpStart. So now we have kind of got into a role where we're introducing ourselves. They're coming to the website, they're actually downloading a toolkit which we created that has different guides and the software you would need to get started in it. And then that actually then translated into somebody starting up the JumpStart. So now we're kind of seeing a more elongated relationship process towards getting people to sign up for an actual course, with the ultimate goal of getting them to sign up for the API. So one of the things that we're starting to learn is just because you can collect up an email doesn't really mean anything when you're selling a particular niche service. And so I think if you were selling, printed socks or some kind of an impulse buy thing, it would probably work great. But for us, we're really building relationships and community, and that doesn't start with a giveaway and an 8-day set of emails. What to do now? So our big and exciting idea of the King Sumo giveaway for emails to then convert isn't working. What it did teach us is that we need to have a mechanism to start talking to people that are interested in creating apps. And those people that are interested in creating apps, then we can support by giving them access to the API that helps them create their applications faster. So what are we doing? Well, we're going to do a couple things in the next couple weeks. We are going to take our courses and we're going to slice them up into smaller mini courses and test them out on Udemy. That way we can actually see what our possible customer base is actually interested in learning. The second thing that we're doing is we're going direct to developers. And how are we doing this? Well, we're going to start to connect to people on LinkedIn with the goal of then setting up a group and then communicating with a community of developers on the LinkedIn platform. I think this is actually going to be a lot more fruitful because they allow you to connect with 30, 40 people a day. And in the last couple days since I set up a LinkedIn account, I've had several great conversations with individuals about what we're doing, and there's been interest. And so I think finding the group that would be interested and then being there in a supporting role and as a human being trying to work together and collaborate is a much better fit for us. This is our current state, and we will continue to kind of give you the behind the scenes of how we are building out Simple Cloudware and taking it from a complete API to then the second phase, which was building tutorials on YouTube, which failed, to then going and building courses on Teachable, which aren't selling, to now reaching out to the community of developers on LinkedIn and then testing out mini courses on Udemy. So every couple months, we are looking at our data. We're trying to figure out how to make our niche work, and we're bringing you along for the ride. So we've actually got 1 sign up for a JumpStart and 3 signups for a toolkit, which is actual relationships being built. So we're excited, even though the numbers are super small and none of it is translated into any income. There is progress, not only on the front of we've actually connected with people that are interested, but we're learning tons about marketing and how to really sincerely support our community in building these apps. So remember, keep your head in the cloud.